Generally, everyone thinks C is the oldest programming language. But here is an example that we can do many projects using the C language. I am the example for learning basic programming language to develop your programming skills. So I'm executing a project to show that we can do a project in C programming also. So I can say that C is the best beginners programming language to develop your programming skills.
Are you ready?
Hi Deepti,
Hello ma'am.
what are you doing?
Project in C language ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes ma'am.
So is it possible to do the project in C language?
Yes ma'am.
Oh, very nice. So what's the concept you have taken and why so?
Ma'am, my friends are telling we can't do projects in C language ma'am. So I took it as a challenge and started making many projects ma'am.
Oh, very nice. Okay. So what's the topic you have taken for a project?
Online examination ma'am.
That means you have created some questions.
Yes ma'am, I've created some questions and at the end we get the result ma'am.
Okay, if we answer correctly, we get the result.
Yes ma'am.
And any gifts for us?
No ma'am.
Okay, just for the mini project.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, just start reading. Okay, can you explain it to me?
Yes ma'am, I gladly do so. Ma'am, can we explain the project to everyone ma'am?
Why so?
So that they can also get to know about the projects. While we can do the projects by using C program.
Yeah, it's very good idea. Okay, let us explain to everyone.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, let's start the project.
Yes ma'am, let's start.
Let's start the project. Explanation with source code.
Now let us explain the project by execution. So this is the program. I'll explain it later, but let us see the output first. Alt C, I'm compiling the program. So the program over here is success. Alt F. Alt R. Now let us run the program. I want to show the basic compiler of the C program. So we are using Turbo C. So I'm executing program in the Turbo C++. Online examination, student name. I'm giving a name over here. Hall ticket number. I'm giving a hall ticket number, college name. And we have a online examination starts here. Online examination that states true or false, each carries 1 mark. Structure is not a data type, it's true. C program is a collection of functions, it's true. Let us give it false so that we can get a different output. In an array, we can accept more than one value of the same type, it's true. The string is a character of array, it's true, we'll give false so that we get different output. Any function cannot be called from any other function, it's true. Flush is a macro, we give it false. Break is a reserve world, we give false for different output. When the file is open, more modification is possible, we give false for different output. String character is the first occurrence in the given character is a string. It's true, but we give false. File is a structure, contains information, file being used, it's false. We gave false, it's true. Result, we have given all 4 marks. All the best for the next time. To show the false marks, I've given some falses. Now let us execute the perfect program. Alt C, I'm compiling. And now Alt R, we are running the program. Student name, hall ticket number, college name. Online examination, state true or false, each carries 1 mark. Structure is not a data type, it's true. C program is a collection of functions, it's true. In an array, we can accept more than one value of the same integer, it's true. String is a character of array, true. Any function cannot be called from any other function, it's true. Flash is a macro, true. Break is a reserve word, is it true? When the file is opened, mode of modification is possible, true. String character finds the first occurrence of a given character in string, it's true. File structure contains information about the file. True. Result. We have scored 10 marks. Congratulations, you have scored good score. All the best for your future. I'll explain the working of the program and and demonstrate how online examination system works using C program. First, we include the header files such as stdio.h, string.h, co.h. stdio.h is used for input and output functions like printf and scanf. String.h is used for string functions. co.h is used for functions like clr, str, and getch, which helps to control the screen or monitor. The program execution starts from main. In the main function, we declare variables: hall ticket number, student name, college name, marks allotment we declare. All these details will be stored in scanf functions. So here void PRN is the user defined function which I defined. And here are the variables I declared. Int I and M. M is for the marks increment I needed for the getting the result. Hall ticket number, name, and other variables I needed for the program. Here, go to XY is for moving the cursor in the output monitor. You've already seen the output. Student name is in the middle. Go to XY is used to move the cursor on the monitor. The cursor on the monitor is moved as per the numbers we have given over here. And now for getting the questions on the monitor, we have given the questions in the for loop. Here in for loop, using a string function, we have taken dash for heading. Here we have prepared the questions as you already have seen in output. Here, if condition, we have that the important thing is if we give t, marks were added. It's so in the asterisk values 116 and 84 are for small t and the capital T. M plus if the answer is given capital T or small t, the marks will be allotted and added. Same for all 10 questions, we have done the same thing. We have taken f of 9 in the last one. We have used f of 0 because in array, the number allotment would be from 0 and the last number would be n minus 1. So we have started from the first question. F is f of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. As the last number would be n minus 1. And here we have taken the user defined function which we already defined in the beginning of the program for the heading and the underlining the heading. So this is the project I've done. Now let's see the output once again. This the online examination and underline is done by the user defined function. Student name, hall ticket number, college name, all the rest, and the state the true or false, each carries 1 mark. The underline is also done by for loop in with the help of string function. Now we'll answer all the questions. You get the result, and this is the project I've done. So this is my project. This is an example for doing a project in C language. By learning C language, I understood that the C language concepts are the basic concepts to learn other programming languages like C++, Java, and Python. So this is my project. So please like, share, and comment. Please do comment to improve my programming skills. Thank you.